this class. Okay, let me start the dialogue. अस्सलामु अलैकुम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू। ये मोहम्मद बोलते हैं और मोहम्मद के डायलॉग कोडेड है ऑरेंज में। मोहम्मद डायलॉग्स आर इन ऑरेंज कलर। अजाबा हसन, हसन जवाब देता है, हसन रिप्लाइज। वी हैव disturbance in someone's audio. Let me put everyone on mute. Zahan, please go on mute. Zahan, don't unmute yourself. अजाबा हसन, हसन जवाब देते हैं, हसन रिप्लाई सेइंग वालेकुम अस्सलाम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू। नोटिस हसन्स लाइन्स आर इन वाइट। सो मोहम्मद के लाइन्स हैं ऑरेंज में, हसन के लाइन्स हैं वाइट में। मोहम्मद बोलते हैं, मोहम्मद सेज अना मुहम्मदुन मिनस्सीन, अना मुहम्मदुन मिनस्सीन। I'll explain the meaning of scene later, so listen to the dialogue. Hasanun says, wa ana Hasanun minal Hind. Ana Hasanun minal Hind. Muhammad, ana mudarrisun fi hadihil jamiyati. Ana mudarrisun fi hadihil jamiyati. This is page 1. We have the dialogue continuing. Muhammad again. So Muhammad said, "Ana mudarrisun fi hadihil jamiyati."
What's jamiyati?
I will explain. I will explain. Keep your questions to the end. Listen to the dialogue, and then I'll explain the new words. Muhammad then says, "Anta talibun jadidun." Jadidun is again new word. So park it aside. I will explain what is जदीदुन। अंत तालिबुन जदीदुन। आपको पता है तालिबुन क्या है? जदीद का मीनिंग मैं अभी जल्दी बताऊंगा। हसन नाम अना तालिबुन जदीदुन। नाम अना मैं, तालिबुन जदीदुन। तालिब का मीनिंग सब जानते हैं। एवरीवन नोज द मीनिंग ऑफ तालिब। जदीद मीन्स न्यू। आई विल एक्सप्लेन द न्यू वर्ड्स अगेन। जदीद मीन्स न्यू, न्यू स्टूडेंट, नए स्टूडेंट है हसन, दैट इज तालिबुन जदीदुन। मोहम्मद, हादा ज़मीली सईद हुआ मुहंदिस। तो मोहम्मद, सईद, हादा ज़मीली सईद हुआ मुहंदिस। हसन, हादा अखी उस्मान, हादा अखी उस्मान हुआ तालिबुन आइदन। आइदन means also. هذا أخي عثمان هو طالب أيضا. Muhammad, last line in the dialogue, it's a short dialogue. Marhaban bikum fil jamiyati. Marhaban bikum fil jamiyati. Let me explain the new words and I'll read the dialogue again and I'll give you time to see the dialogue. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. सबको इसका मीनिंग पता है। वालेकुम अस्सलाम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू, ये भी सिंपल है। अना मुहम्मदुन मिनस्सीन, अना मुहम्मदुन मिनस्सीन। असीन मीन्स चाइना। असीन इज कंट्री, सीन बलद देश का नाम है। अना मुहम्मदुन, मैं हूं मोहम्मद, मिनस्सीन फ्रॉम चाइना, चाइना से हूं मैं। ठीक है, तो चाइना इज असीन, पे अटेंशन। हसन, वो अना हसनुन, मैं हूं हसन, मिनल हिंद, अल हिंद है इंडिया। ठीक है, तो मोहम्मद, असीन, हसन, अल हिंद। एंड आई गिव यू टाइम टू टेक नोट्स। ओके, सो पे अटेंशन टू द न्यू वर्ड्स। मोहम्मद सेज, मोहम्मद बोलते हैं अना मुदर्रिसुन फी हादिहिल जामियती। तो सबको पता है मीनिंग क्या है। अना मुदर्रिसुन फी हादिही जामियती मतलब यूनिवर्सिटी। ठीक है, तो कॉलेज, स्कूल के बाद लोग जाते हैं कॉलेज में, यूनिवर्सिटी में। मोहम्मद है मुदर्रिस, टीचर इन दिस यूनिवर्सिटी। तो मोहम्मद क्या है? मुदर्रिस फिल जामियती। ठीक है, तो जामिया मीन्स यूनिवर्सिटी। जामिया मिलिया इस्लामिया, जामिया, जामिया अल अजहर, जामिया उमिल कुरा, जामिया अल मदीना। ठीक है, तो जामिया यूनिवर्सिटी, जामियातुल मदीना is University of Medina. तो जामिया means university. ठीक है, तो pay attention, जामिया is university. Asin is China, Al Hind is India. Any question on these words? These are the new words: Asin, Al Hind, Jamia. Do you have a question, Zahan?
Jamiati and Jamia is same.
Jamiati because of fee. Notice fee. You will say fil ghurfati, fi baiti. Okay. Ana askunu fi baiti. So I live in a house. Okay? It's because of fee, and we've seen fee will change the word after it to zir. Fil hammami is another word that we have seen. Fil masjidi. So it's because of fee that jamiatun will become jamiati. Very nice question, Hifza. So fee will change jamiati to jamiati. Hadihi will stay hadihi. So fee is actually making it jamiati. Okay. So fil masjidi, fil madrasati, fil baiti, fil ghurfati, fil hammam. After fee, you will always have kasra. And the kasra here comes to jamiati. Any other questions? Very nice. Let's move to second page. Anta talibun jadidun. Anta talibun, everyone knows the meaning. Is hal. And hal, same meaning. They are used for yes or no question. Anta talibun jadidun. Jadidun means new. Talibun jadidun means new talib, new student. Talibun jadidun, जदीद का मतलब है नया. तो अगर मैं एक नया पेन लेता हूं, ठीक है, एक नया पेन, एक नया कलम विल बी कलमुन जदीदुन, अ न्यू पेन. अगर मैं एक नया कमीज लेता हूं, कमीज इन अरबिक इज शर्ट, न्यू शर्ट विल बी कमीसुन जदीदुन. जदीद मीन्स न्यू. Opposite of jadid, just for vocabulary, is qadim. Qalamun qadimun will be old pen, but you don't need to know qadim. No jadid. Jadid is new. Hasan बोलते हैं नाम अना तालिबुन जदीदुन. नाम अना तालिबुन जदीदुन. जदीदुन मीन्स न्यू. जदीदुन मतलब नए. वो बोलते हैं हाँ मैं नया स्टूडेंट हूँ. तो मतलब वो जामिया जो यूनिवर्सिटी है, नए अभी अभी आए हैं. Muhammad. Hada Zamili. We have seen Zamil. Tabadali Su'ala wa Jawaba Ma Zamilika. Zamil. Same Zamil. Talib 1, Talib 2, Jamil. Mudarris, Mudarris, Zamil. Zamil मतलब कलीग. Zamil मतलब जो तुम्हारे साथ काम करते हैं, जो तुम्हारे बराबर के हैं, उनको बोलते हैं Zamil. So Zamil means colleague. So if I am working in a school, if I am working in, for example, Arabic school, and Rahmat is also working, for example, in Arabic school, so we would be Zamil, we would be colleagues. Okay. If all of you are students in the Arabic class, you would be Zamil. Zamil means barabar jo log kuch kaam karte hain, that is Zamil. Hada Zamili Saeed. Saeed is the name of the person. तो वो बोलते हैं ये Zamili, ये मेरे Zamil है. Saeed. Saeed is the name of the person. Huwa Muhandis. Everyone knows what is Muhandis. Muhandis is engineer. तो बोल रहे हैं देखो ये मेरे colleague है Saeed, वो Muhandis है. This is my colleague Saeed. He is an engineer. This is Saeed. Hassan. Hada Akhi Uthman. Everyone knows Hada. Everyone knows Akhi. Everyone knows Uthman. Hada Akhi Uthman. ये सब हम देख चुके हैं. Akh मतलब brother. For recap, هذا أخي عثمان. هو طالب أيضا. هو طالب. Very easy, very straightforward. أيضا means also. So, حسن طالب. عثمان طالب. ठीक है. तो طالب أيضا, أيضا means also. वो भी तालिब है. हुआ तालिब أيضا. भी को बोलते हैं أيضا. तो ये मेरे भाई है उस्मान, वो भी तालिब है. Last. Marhaban bikum fil jamiati. Marhaban मतलब welcome. Ahlan, marhaban, similar meaning. Marhaban bikum, welcome to you. Fil jamiati. Welcome to all of you. Fil jamiati. Notice, Assalamu alaikum. Wa alaikum. Same kum. Marhaban bikum fil jamiyati. Okay. Any questions on page 2? It's pretty straightforward. Page 2 is easier than page 1. Any questions in this? New words. Jadid means new. So al kalimatul jadida is the new word. New words will be al kalimatil judud will be the new words. So jadid means new. Zamil means colleague. Zamil मतलब जो आपके साथ आपके बराबर के हैं. टीचर टीचर तो इमाम इमाम, टीचर टीचर, इंजीनियर इंजीनियर, या साथ में काम करने वाले साथ में उन्होंने कुछ किया है तो वो होगा जमील. आइदन मतलब ऑल्सो. कुम इज अस्सलाम वालेकुम. जामिया we have already seen is university. Very simple dialogue. What I'll let you do, I'll give you 1 minute, okay? The questions, first 9 questions are on the dialogue, and for these questions you need to think and answer. So these are not straightforward questions. I'm not going to ask you direct questions, which I'm not going to ask you, hey, like who said anta talibun jadidun. Okay, so it's going to be difficult questions. तो डायलॉग को देखो, आपको नोट्स बनाना है, नोट्स बनाओ. जो क्वेश्चंस हैं वो आपको थोड़ा सोच के आंसर करना पड़ेगा. जब तक आप डायलॉग नहीं समझते हो और आप क्वेश्चंस नहीं समझते हो, आंसर करना मुश्किल होगा. यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड द डायलॉग and the question to answer. So 1 minute time. I will show the dialogue on the screen, plus you have the dialogue on WhatsApp. So this is first page. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Ana Muhammadun minas Sin. We have the dialogue on WhatsApp. This is page 1, this is page 2. So either see the screen on Zoom or see the dialogue on WhatsApp. Make your own notes. 1 minute, and then you will see the questions, inshallah. I'll do page 1 for half a minute, page 2 for half a minute on Zoom. You can either use Zoom or use WhatsApp. Use whatever you're comfortable with. Okay, guys, 10 more seconds on page 1. On Zoom, I will shift to page 2 very soon, inshallah. Okay, I'll shift to page 2. Again, on Zoom, Muhammad is orange, Hassan is white or black. So Hassan is white or black in dialogue. Muhammad is orange. Okay, time's up. We now go to Zoom. Last chance for anyone to ask questions. Anyone has a question on the dialogue or anything that you did not understand? Perfect. Everyone's understood the question.
Can you please give us 1 more minute?
Yes, quickly, Zahan. 15 more seconds and then we start. Okay, guys, I see only 7 players on Kahoot. People seem to have left Kahoot. Come back in. We are just about to start the quiz. Whoever has left Kahoot, please go back to your browser. Come into Kahoot. We are just about to start the quiz. We've only seen the dialogue now. Based on the dialogue, we will have questions. I do not see
The meeting. It's only 12 players, 12 participants.
Yes, we are missing someone. We had 13 earlier.
Hazik is coming.
Okay, you need to ask him to be quick. Okay, Hazik is here. Zahan is in. Okay, we have 12 players. Let us start. So, quiz for lesson 1 and 2. 17 questions. First question. Man Zamilu Muhammad. Man Zamilu Muhammad. Easy question. You have enough time. Think and answer. Man Zamilu Muhammad. Blue is Zamiluhu Mudarris. Red Huwa Mudarris. Green Zamiluhu Saeed. Orange Zamiluka Uthman. Again, Man Zamilu Muhammad is the question. Blue Zamiluhu Mudarris. Huwa Mudarris. Green Zamiluhu Saeed. Orange Zamiluka Uthman. You need to answer, mark one of these four. First question, I'm giving you time. Okay, so think and answer. You need to choose blue, red, green, orange on Kahoot. Kahoot is where you mark the answers. आपको Kahoot में जाके अफीफा फुज़ैल आंसर्स मार्क करना है. क्वेश्चन सिर्फ जूम में आएगा. मन जमीलू मोहम्मद है क्वेश्चन. ये वही पिक्चर है जो हमने डायलॉग में देखा. ब्लू जमीलुहु मुदर्रिस. रेड हुआ मुदर्रिस. ग्रीन जमीलुहु सईद. ऑरेंज जमीलुका उस्मान. बहुत कम टाइम है, 3 लोगों ने आंसर नहीं किया. बहुत कम टाइम है, सिर्फ 5 सेकंड है, तो एक का आंसर जल्दी से मार्क करना. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. सिर्फ 10 लोगों ने आंसर किया है. सिर्फ 2 लोगों का आंसर करेक्ट है. गाइस, दिस इज वन ऑफ द इजीएस्ट क्वेश्चंस. ओके, दिस इज व्हाई यू नीड टू थिंक. आंसर्स एंड क्वेश्चंस आर नॉट स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड. मन जमीलू मोहम्मद. मोहम्मद के जमील कौन है? जमीलुहु Saeed. It's simple. Let us go back. Again, note guys, you need to think. If you do not think, you will never get the answer correct. This is a tricky quiz. You need to really understand concepts and understand the question. He says, Hada Zamili Saeed. Man Zamilu Muhammad. Zamiluhu. His Zamil is Saeed. 5 people answered Zamiluhu Mudarris. Zamiluhu Mudarris, yes, he might have Zamil who are teachers, possible, but here his Zamil is Saeed and he is Muhandis. This is the person. We are talking about Saeed here. When I talk about this dialogue, we're talking about Saeed who is Muhandis. The correct answer is Zamiluhu Saeed. Who is the Zamil of Muhammad? Muhammad ke Zamil. Muhammad ke colleague kaun hai? Zamiluhu Saeed. Saeed hai unke Zamil. Why would this be wrong? He might have Zamils who are Mudarris, possible, but it's not covered in this dialogue. His Zamils could be teachers, but not covered in the dialogue. Red is Huwa Mudarris. It does not answer the question. He is a Mudarris. Does not answer the question. I'm asking about his Zamil. Okay? So, Huwa Muhandis could be a close or partly correct answer, but Huwa Mudarris, Saeed is not Mudarris. Saeed is Muhandis. His Zamil is an engineer. So this is Muhammad, this is Saeed. Correct answer is green. Let's see who answered the question correct. Hifza and Nahid aunty. Nice. Nahid aunty ने सोच समझ के टाइम लेके आंसर किया है correct, which is what you need to do. A quiz like this, the next questions have even lesser time. You need to sit, understand the dialogue, understand the question, and then answer. Only 2 people answered correct. Let's see the next question. Next question, bonus question, double points, tough question. Min Aina Muhammad. Min Aina Muhammad. This is another question where you have enough time. 90 seconds hai. सोच समझ के आंसर करना. Min Aina Muhammad. Blue. Huwa min Turkiya. Red. Huwa Minassin. Green. Huwa Minal Hind. Orange. Huwa min Turki. Min Aina Muhammad. Double points. Okay. Important question. Huwa min Turkiya. Blue. Red. Huwa Minassin. Green. Huwa Minal Hind. Orange. Huwa min Turki. Min Aina Muhammad. Notice the Min or aina. Min or aina are the keywords. Min aina Muhammad. We're talking about Muhammad here. Muhammad के बारे में बात कर रहा है. Min aina Muhammad. Huwa min Turkiya. Huwa min as-Sin. Huwa min al-Hind. Huwa min Turkiya. Blue, red, green, orange. Question Zoom पे है. Check and answer. 12 answers, 1 person has not answered. एक किसी ने आंसर नहीं किया अभी तक. टाइम खत्म हो रहा है. The time is running out. You need to answer quickly. Choose one of the 4 answers. Blue, red, green or orange. Correct answer, Huwa min as-Sin, straight from the dialogue. Easy question. After this, it gets harder. Huwa min as-Sin. Huwa min Turkiya. There's no Turkiya at all in the dialogue. Huwa min Turkiya and Huwa min Turkiyun. Blue and orange are possibly the worst answers. Huwa min Turkiyun is already also grammatically wrong. Huwa min Turkiya is grammatically correct. Orange, Huwa min Turkiyu is even grammatically wrong. Blue and orange are the worst answers. Huwa min al-Hind is not Muhammad. So it is Hassan who is from Hind. Let me go to the dialogue. So Hassan is the person who is from Hind. Muhammad is from Sin. Huwa min as-Sin is the answer. 8% correct. Let's see the standings. Hifza again very fast. Marking correct. Sadia has also been fast. Mama and Hazik. Hazik has thought an answer. Very nice, Hazik. Make sure you get the answers correct. And this was bonus question. Third question. And from here it gets tough. Pay attention. Question number 3. Muhammadun mudarrisun fi dash. Muhammadun mudarrisun fi dash. Picture में एक बड़ी building है. There's a big building in the picture. Muhammadun mudarrisun fi dash. Blue Jamiatun. Red al madrasatin. Green al jamiati. Orange al madrasati. I'll repeat. Muhammadun mudarrisun fi dash. Blue Jamiatun. Red al madrasatin. Al madrasatin red. Green al jamiati. Orange al madrasati. Blue, red, green or orange. Blue Jamiatun. Nice. Al jamiati. Lot of people mark Jamiatun. When we have fi, the ending will be kasra. Why is blue not the answer? Because fi Jamiatun will be wrong. Fi Jamiatin would be in a university. Fi al Jamiati would be in the university. Notice after fi, you will always have kasra. If you had paid attention to the test paper that we answered, that is the test paper on page 75, we spoke this. Fil ghurfati. T. It will not be fi ghurfatun, would be wrong. Fil ghurfati. Fil hammami. Fil masjidi. This was in fact one of the questions we saw. Fil ghurfati. And in fact, even in the dialogue, I explained that fi hadihil jamiati. Pay attention, guys. It's not an easy quiz. If you pay attention, you get the answers correct. Fil jamiati is the correct answer. Jamiatun would be wrong, grammatically wrong. Madrasa is not where he's teaching. Madrasa is school. He's teaching at university. So the answer is al jamiati. Let's see the standings. Hifza slightly down. Nahid aunty is on a roll. Nahid aunty 3 correct answers. Sadia number 2, very nice. Hifza, Mama close together. Zahan, you're also doing well. Adnan, I do not see you anywhere in the quiz. Rahmat, Sidra, Nimra, Hania, I love. You also need to answer the remaining questions correctly. We've only answered 3, okay? So even if you pay attention now, we still have 14 questions. Pay attention, guys. Next question. Question number 4. Bonus question, double points. Kam rajulan ra'ayna. Kam rajulan ra'ayna fi hadal hiwar. Kam rajulan. Kam means how many. Rajulan means men. Kam rajulan. Kitne aadmi. How many men. Ra'ayna means we have seen. Okay. You have to count the total number of men. Kitne भी आदमी हैं इस हिवार में वो आपको गिनना है. कम रजुलन रायना कितने आदमी हमने देखा फी हादल हिवार इन दिस डायलॉग. Blue, talibun rijalin. Talibun rijalin, blue. Red, rajulani. Green, arba'atu rijalin. Orange, thalathatu rijalin. I will repeat. कितने आदमी हैं? जितने भी आदमी हमने देखा है. How many men? Blue, talibun rijalun. Very less time. We are going to do fast now. Red, rajulani. Green, arba'atu rijalin. Orange, thalathatu rijalin. Very less time. Time is running out. Very good. Arba'atu rijalin. 4 men. We have seen Muhammad. We have seen Hassan. We have seen Muhammad's colleague Saeed. And we have also seen Hassan's brother Uthman. 4 आदमी हमने देखा है. Muhammad, Hassan, Muhammad के ज़मीन और हसन के भाई. 4 is the correct answer. Orange, thalathatu rijalin is wrong. We have not seen 3 men. हमने 3 आदमी नहीं देखा, हमने 4 आदमी देखे. Correct answer is arba'atu, 4. Arba is 4, thalatha is 3. Correct answer, arba'atu rijalin. Nahid aunty, again correct answer. Sadia second, Mama third, Zahan fourth, Rahmat 5. Hazik, you need to pay attention and catch up. We still have 13 full questions. Pay attention, guys. Next question. Min aina Hassan. Easiest question in the whole quiz. Min aina Hassan. Only 3 choices also. Easiest question. I want full correct from everyone. Blue, huwa min Turkiya. Red, huwa min al-Hind. Orange, huwa min as-Sin. Min aina Hassan. This is a confidence booster question, guys. You can never get this question wrong. Blue, huwa min Turkiya. Red, huwa min al-Hind. Orange, huwa min as-Sin. Take your time. You have 30 seconds. Look at WhatsApp. Look at your notes. Answer the question correctly. Min aina Hassan. Min aina Hassan. Blue, huwa min Turkiya. Red, huwa min al-Hind. Orange, huwa min as-Sin. Blue, red or orange. Only 3 choices. Red is correct. We still have 1 wrong answer. 1% did not answer. Huwa min al-Hind is correct. Huwa min Turkiya is no one answered, luckily. Huwa min as-Sin. As-Sin is Muhammad, which was question number 1. Al-Hind is Hassan. Hassan is Hind. Muhammad is Sin. So 11 people correct. It's okay. Only 1% wrong. Nahid aunty again on a roll. Sadia second. Mama third. Mama and Sadia very close to each other. Zahan fourth. Very nice, Zahan. Very nice, Rahmat. Hazik, Adnan, Nimra, Sidra, Muniba. All of you need to catch up. Come on. We have a lot of questions still left. We've only done 5 questions. Yes, Muniba, you have a question? Okay, we will move on. Question number 6. Kam taliban ra'ayna fi hadal hiwar. Kam taliban. How many talib? How many students? Kitne talib? Kitne students? Ra'ayna is we have seen. How many students we have seen in this hiwar? Blue. Arba'atu tullabin. Red. Thalathatu tullabin. Green. Talibun wahidun. Orange. Talibani. Pay attention. Trick question. Kam taliban ra'ayna fi hadal hiwar. How many talib? Blue. Arba'atu tullabin. Red. Thalathatu tullabin. Green. Talibun wahidun. Orange. Talibani. How many talib, guys? Blue, red, green, orange. Blue. Yes? What's the question? Time is running out. Blue, arba'atu, thalathu, red, wahidun, green, talibani, orange. Someone had a question. What was the question? Who got the answer correct? Let's see who got the answer correct. Nahid aunty, Zahan. Nahid aunty or Zahan, explain the answer. Why is it Talibani?
It is because we don't have any Talib.
Itnani ends with
Itnani ends with
Taliban. Ani.
Zahan got it correct by fluke. Yes, Nahid aunty.
Ani means itnani. Itnani means it will end with ani.
Correct. Perfect, Nahid aunty. This is a tough question because this is something we covered in the class. I can skip wahidun. I can skip ithnani. We have Sadia and Hifza. How many talib do we have in this dialogue? Two dialogues, okay? So typically we would write talibani, ithnani. That would be the correct answer. But ithnani can be omitted. If it is one, I can omit wahidun. The ani is flu. Ani always means two. Ani, and later we'll see aini, but for now, pay attention. Ani always means two. When we have two talib, it would be talibani. We have two qalam. In fact, this is something we have seen. It will be qalamani. When we have two bait, it will be baitani. Two books would be kitabani. Kitabani, ithnani. Ithnani is optional. But the ani is the clue for two. 4 is wrong. We do not have 4 students. We do not have 3 students. We do not have 1 student. The correct answer is talibani, ithnani, or talibani.
Rahul, until when do we have class?
Okay, we are at 1:30. Okay, guys. Another 15 minutes, inshallah, we should be done. We will go fast. I do not keep track of time. We will go fast, inshallah. 15 minutes, we should be done. 7. Bonus question, double points. Manit talibu jadidu. Man at-talibu jadidu is the question. 15 minutes, we will be done. We will go fast now. Blue is Hasanun. Red is...
What's the question meaning?
You need to know the meaning. Man is the trick. Okay, so you need to know what's the meaning of man, Adnan. Man at-talibu jadidu. Hasanun is blue. Fil Jamiati is red. Saidun is green. Muhammadun is orange. Manit talibu jadidu. Hasanun blue. Fil Jamiati is red. Saidun green. Muhammadun orange. Let me put everyone on mute. Manit talibu jadidu. Jadid means new. Blue Hasan, Fil Jamiati red, Saeed green, Muhammad orange. No time. Time is running out. Okay. Manit talibu jadidu. Who is Man? Who is the new student? Answer is Hasan. I will move fast because we are running out of time. Very nice to those who have answered correct. Question number 8. Ma jinsiyatu Muhammadin. Another trick question. Pay attention. Ma jinsiyatu Muhammadin. We're talking about Muhammad. Muhammad के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. Blue हुआ siniyun. Red हुआ minal Hind. Green हुआ sini. Orange हुआ Turkiyun. Blue, red, green, orange. Ma jinsiyatu Muhammadin. Blue हुआ siniyun. Red हुआ minal Hind. Green हुआ Asini. Orange हुआ Turkiyun. Blue, red, green or orange. We're talking about jinsiyatu. Blue हुआ siniyun. Red हुआ minal Hind. Green हुआ Asini. Orange हुआ Turkiyun. Okay, Hua Siniyun would be the answer. The other answers are wrong. He's not from Hind. He's not Turkiyun. Hua Asini is wrong. So Hua Siniyun would be correct. Hua Minas Sin would be okay, but there's no min. The correct answer is blue. Nahid aunty again, all correct. Let's move to question 9. Question 9, bonus question, last bonus question on the dialogue. Man Uthman. Man Uthman. The third question with one. Hua Akhu Hasanin. Blue. Man Uthman is the question. Hua Akhu Hasanin. Blue. Red. Hua Sadiqu Hasanin. Red. Hua Mudarrisun. Green. Orange. Anta Mudarrisun. Blue. Hua Akhu Hasanin. Red. Hada Sadiqu Hasanin. Green. Hua Mudarrisun. Orange. Anta Muhandisun. You only have 20 seconds left. See quickly and mark the answer. Hua Akhu Hasanin, blue. Red, Hua Sadiqu Hasanin. green huwa mudarrisun, orange anta mudarrisun. Time is running out. You need to mark the answer. Huwa akhu Hasanin. He is the akh of Hasan. He is the brother of Hasan. Is the correct answer. Huwa mudarrisun. He is not mudarris. Mudarris is wrong. Red is huwa sadiqu Hasanin. He is not the sadiq of Hasan. He is the brother of Hasan. Correct answer is akh. He is the brother of Hasan. Answer is blue. Okay. Mama, nice. Sadia, nice. Hifza, you need to come up. You're falling down, Hifza. Pay attention. Question number 10. These are general questions. Haulai dash rijalin. Easy question. Haulai dash rijalin. You have a picture. 5 men. What would we put for 5? Blue arba'atu. Red arba'u. Green khamsatu. Orange thalathatu. Haulai dash rijalin. Dash 5. Blue arba'atu. Red arba'u. Green khamsatu. Orange thalathatu. You have 30 seconds. Khamsatu, very nice. Everyone's perfect with the numbers. Khamsatu, correct answer. Everyone's marked correct. We'll go to question 11. Bonus question, double points. Hada mudarrisatun. Hada mudarrisatun. We have a picture. Picture is of a man writing on a board. Picture is of a man writing on a blackboard. Blue la huwa talibun. Red naam hada mudarrisatun. Green la hada mudarrisun. Orange naam hadihi talibatun. Trick question. Pay attention and mark the answer. Hada mudarrisatun. Hada mudarrisatun. Stands for yes or no question. Answer is either naam or la. Blue la huwa talibun. Red naam hada mudarrisatun. Green la hada mudarrisun. Orange naam hadihi talibatun.
Sakabaya. Sakabaya, isn't it wrong?
Saqib, we can't hear you.
Saqib, you're on
We
mute.
cannot hear you.
Okay, can you hear me now?
Yeah.
Okay, sorry, I was on mute. So question is Ismuhu Muhammad. How long were you not able to hear me?
Since the last answer.
Oh, okay, sorry.
Even the last answer we didn't hear.
Okay, sorry. So last answer is ahada mudarrisatun. Mudarrisatun is feminine. So the question is this a female teacher? Ahada mudarrisatun. This is not a female teacher. This is a male teacher. So the answer will be la. Answer will be la. Hata mudarrisun. A male teacher is different from a female teacher. So the answer will be la hata mudarrisun. If you say naam hata mudarrisatun, this is wrong because you're saying this is a female teacher. Well,
Chances they know.
anyone has a question? Let me put everyone on mute. Sorry guys, I was on mute when I was explaining. So hata mudarrisatun, answer is la because this is not a female teacher. Coming to the next question. Ismuhu Muhammad. His name is Muhammad is the answer. Ismuhu. My name is Muhammad would be Ismi. So sorry, I could not read the question and the answers. Inshallah, we'll read out the next ones. So Ismi Muhammad would be, my name is Muhammad. Ismuhu would be his ism. Who would mean his or to him. Next question, question 13. Jalasa Ahmadu ma'a sittati mudarrisin. Jalasa Ahmadu. Ahmad sat. Jalasa means sat. Ahmad sat with. Ma'a is with. Ahmad sat with sittati mudarrisin. What does sittati mean? Sittati का माना क्या है? Blue 6, red 8, green 7, orange 9. ब्लू है नंबर 6, रेड है नंबर 8, ग्रीन है नंबर 7, ऑरेंज है नंबर 9. सित्तती, सित्तती क्या है? व्हाट इज सित्ता? ब्लू 6 6, रेड 8 8, ग्रीन 7 7, ऑरेंज 9 9. व्हाट इज द आंसर? Answer is 6. Very nice. Everyone's comfortable with numbers. Next question, question 14. We're nearing the end of the quiz. Ahada ibnuha. There's a mistake in this question. Ahada ibnuha. Sorry, ahada ibnuha. इसको translate करना है. Ahada ibnuha. Question is correct. Ahada ibnuha. इसका माना क्या है? Blue, is this his son? क्या वो उसका बेटा है? Red, is this your son? क्या ये तुम्हारा बेटा है? Green, is this his father? क्या ये उस आदमी के पापा हैं? Orange, is this her son? क्या वो उस लड़की का बेटा है? हादा इब्नुहा है क्वेश्चन. Blue, is this his son? क्या वो उस आदमी का बेटा है? Red, क्या ये आपका बेटा है? Is this your son? Green, is this his father? क्या ये उस आदमी के पापा हैं? Orange, is this her son? क्या ये उस लड़की के बेटे हैं? Time is running out. 3, 2, 1 and time's up. Hada ibnuha. Ha means her. Hiya, attached pronoun for hiya is ha. So hada ibnuha. Ibnuha means her son. Is this her son? His son, blue would be hada ibnuhu. Who is his? Her is ha. Only 2 people marked correct. 5 said, is this your son? Your son is ibnuka or ibnuki. It can definitely not be your son. Okay, answer is this her son? Let's see who are the 2 people who marked it correct. Nahid auntie as usual and someone else from the bottom. Okay, come on guys. Very few questions left. Hifza, Sadia, Zahan, Mama, your last chance. Very few questions left. 3 questions left. Zarat Khadijatu Tamaniyata Biladin. Zarat means visited. वो जा चुके हैं, वो देख चुके हैं. Zarat खदीजा देख चुके हैं तमानियता बिलादिन, तमानियता बिलाद, बिलाद मतलब कंट्रीज। खदीजा हैज विजिटेड तमानियता कंट्रीज। तमानियता का मीनिंग क्या है? ब्लू 9 9, रेड 8 8, ग्रीन 7 ऑरेंज 6 6। तमानियता का वर्ड क्या होगा? ब्लू 9 नंबर 9, रेड 8 नंबर 8, ग्रीन 7 नंबर 7, ऑरेंज 6 नंबर 6। तमानियता ब्लू 9, रेड 8, green 7, orange 6. Time is running out. You only have 7 seconds left. Okay, Tamania is 8. It is not number 7. 7 is Sabah. Tamania is number 8. We will move on. Nahid aunty, again, all questions correct. Rahmat, very nice. Sadia, I am losing you. You are not in the top 5. Pay attention, Sadia. Only 2 questions left. Question number 16. Fatimatu fi hammami, फातिमतु फिल हम्मामी डैश। फातिमतु क्या कर रही है? फिल हम्मामी। ब्लू तक़रउल कुरान, रेड यक़रउल कुरान, ग्रीन यतवद्दउ, ऑरेंज ततवद्दउ। क्वेश्चन, फातिमतु फिल हम्मामी डैश। डैश आपको फिल करना है। ब्लू तक़रउल कुरान, रेड यक़रउल कुरान, ग्रीन यतवद्दउ, ऑरेंज ततवद्दउ। फातिमा हम्माम क्या आएगा आंसर? ततवद्दउ इज करेक्ट। यतवद्दउ इज मैस्कुलिन। सो अगर मैं बात कर रहा हूँ अहमद, मोहम्मद, हुआ, अदनान, हाजिक, जहान, तो आंसर विल बी यतवद्दउ। क्योंकि फातिमा है, लड़की है, आंसर भी ततवद्दउ। वेरी नाइस सादिया, यू आर डाउन। Hifza, last one chance for you to come up to be third. So Hifza, Sadia, and Rahmat. Let's see who among you finishes third. Last question, very easy question. Okay? Be quick, be correct. Let's see who comes third. First two are already decided. Last question. Question number 17. Hayya bina dash al madrasati. Hayya bina dash al madrasati. Hayya bina dash. Blue fi, red ila, green min, orange ala. Hayya bina dash madrasati. Blue fi, red ila, green min, orange ala. Hayya bina dash. Dash to the madrasa. Blue fi, red ila, green min, orange ala. Easy question, guys. Hayya bina dash. Hayya bina dash madrasati. Blue fi, red ila, green min, orange ala. Ilal madrasati. Hayya bina matlab let's go to the masjid. Masjid chalo jate hain. Fi would be wrong. You do not go in the masjid. You go to the masjid. मस्जिद के अंदर नहीं जाते। फी मतलब फिल हमामी, फिल मस्जिदी, फिल गुरफती, उसके अंदर। फी मतलब अंदर। फी इज इन। मिन इज फ्रॉम। यू डू नॉट लेट्स गो फ्रॉम द मस्जिद वुड बी रॉन्ग अगेन। Orange is Allah. It's a word we have not seen. Allah means on. You do not go on a masjid. The correct answer is ila, hayya bina, ilal madrasati. Okay. Third is Rahmat. Very nice, Rahmat. Congratulations. This is your first time in the top 3. Mama second. Nahid aunty first. This is the end of the quiz. So Nahid aunty very big, won by a very big margin. Mama still very good. 13 out of 17. Nahid aunty full correct. 17 out of 17 correct. Rahmat 12 out of 17 correct. Now important thing is 12. In fact, 9 questions were new. The remaining 8 questions were all old questions. Questions from the old quiz. Had you paid attention to the quiz or to the class, you would have definitely gotten it correct. And all of the questions are simple questions. Questions which we have covered repeatedly. It's only maybe Ithnani, Talibani could have been new. Everything else is what we covered. to answer questions correctly. This is the basic, guys. This is the very, very simplistic part of what we are learning. This is the very basic, this is the most simple part. Make sure you do tests. Make sure you ask questions to yourself and you revise. For the next class, we will have homework, inshallah. The homework is the first dialogue of chapter 3. Make sure that you see the next lessons ahead. So if you see the next lessons ahead, the classes that we will do, the lesson that we will take in the class will be a revision. It will be a test and you'll remember better. I will send you the recording for this dialogue. What you have to do, try to learn the words. This is a very important chapter. This is the chapter where we learn a lot of good vocabulary and a lot of good grammar. This is what will take your grammar to the next level. And if you do well in this chapter, inshallah, we can start taking words and lessons in the Quran. Very important chapter. Try to see the words, and homework is you read this dialogue in pairs. 2 people, 1 person become Ahmad, 1 person become Hassan. I'll send you the recording. See the recording. Try to know the meaning of the verbs, of the words. Not only for the first dialogue, but also second. Okay. First dialogue is the homework. You need to send the recording of the first dialogue to me, inshallah. Who can again repeat what the homework is? Hazik or Sadia? What was the homework
I can.
of the next class? Page 78. What should you do as homework?
Can I say?
Yes, go ahead.
You have to read this in pairs. 1 person will be Ahmad and 1 person will be Hassan.
Very nice. Okay, I'll send you the recording. Read this in pairs. Try to understand the dialogue. Muniba, you have a question?
Yeah.
Yes, Muniba.
Will you send the recording or will you just send the photo of that so we can read it?
The photo, try to get it from the book. Let me know in case you don't have the book. So this is page 78 in the book. If you download the book, you should already have this.
The book.
Okay, on the book, page 78, I will send you a recording. So the recording will have the dialogue. So listen to the recording, practice this with Munaza, practice this with who's around you, and send me the recording, inshallah. That is the homework. And also see the upcoming dialogues. If you see the upcoming ones, you will be ahead of the game. You will be faster in learning, inshallah. But the homework is only first dialogue on page 78.
Okay.
On that note, we will close. Do more tests, do more practice, do more recall, inshallah. And inshallah, you will do less. You will do very well also in the upcoming lessons, inshallah. On that note, we close. Subhanallahumma wa bihamdik. Ashhadu an la ilaha illa anta wa astaghfiruka wa atubu ilayk. All glory, praise and thanks be to Allah. We ask Subhanallahumma wa bihamdik wa ashhadu an la ilaha illa anta. We bear witness that Allah is one and He is Rabb. And we ask forgiveness for any mistakes that we have made in the course of this class, inshallah. See you in the next class. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Jazakallah khair.
وعليكم السلام ورحمة الله وبركاته. جزاك الله خير. مع السلامة.
Ma salama. See you next Saturday.